Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh. I'd like to show you guys this Sea Ray 190 SPX. We've got this model with the white interior, big swim platform, port side walk-through. You can see we have the sports tower on this one with the bimini. This has the forward and/or side lounging seats that converts, so you can take this cushion up, slide it under the other cushion, and have a forward-facing seat. Captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. On the dash, we've got the Simrad Go 5, and then obviously the tachometer and the other gauges on there. Fusion audio for this guy, upgraded stereo, got the infinity flooring, and a large open bow section for you and your family to have a great time. Come on by to MarineMax in Dallas, check us out, or you can look at us online at www.marinemax.com. Come by and see us.